Hello everybody. In the last two sessions in class, you saw a new tense, the present continuous, the affirmative and negative forms of the present continuous, and we compared it to the other tense. It's the present simple, another present, the present simple. These are the examples that you saw in class. But before the examples, let's take another look on the form again. The form of the present simple and present continuous in the affirmative. So the present simple, the verb to visit becomes visit or visits, depending on the subject. I visit, you visit, he visits, she visits, it visits, we, you, they visit. Now the present continuous, it's different. We have an auxiliary. The auxiliary is the verb to be in the present, and then the verb plus ing. And these are the three options: am visiting, is visiting, are visiting. I am visiting. He, she, it is visiting. We, you, they are visiting. And let's now take another look on the use. First, the present simple. We use it to talk about actions or verbs that we do every day, every week, every hour, every month. So a repeated action. As for the present continuous, we use it to talk about an action that is happening now, at this moment. These are the real life examples you saw in class. Of course, I am your teacher. The verb is to teach. Okay, first sentence. I teach English. Yes or no? I teach English. Yes or no? Yes. It means this is correct. I teach English. Correct. Okay, good. The tense that I use, of course, is the present simple. I teach. The verb is to teach with I teach. Okay, second example. I drink water. Yes or no? Again, yes, I drink water. Okay, good. Third sentence. I am drinking water. Yes or no? Of course, this is not the present simple. It's the present continuous. And the present continuous is used for actions that are happening right now. I am drinking water. The answer is no, I am not drinking water. No. What am I doing right now? I am teaching. So I am teaching. Yes, correct. I am drinking. No, I am not drinking water. Third example. I eat food. Yes or no? What do you think? I eat food. The answer is yes. That's correct. To say in the present simple. I eat food. Correct. Next. I am eating food. I am eating food. The answer is no. Of course, this is not correct. I am not eating food. Just like I am not drinking water. What am I doing? I am teaching. I am speaking. Okay, these are correct. Okay, is this clear? Let's move to the next group of examples. You are students. The verb is to study. So this is the first sentence. in the second group. So you study French. You study French, the language of France. Yes or no? You study French. Yes or no? The answer is yes. You study French. Okay? The next sentence. You study English. Yes or no? The answer is yes. You study English. Okay, good. Next. You are studying English. Yes or no? You are studying English. The answer is also yes. So when I say you study English, this is present simple. Okay, you study English. It means you study English Monday, maybe Tuesday, Thursday. You study English. When I say you are studying English, here I use the present continuous. I'm talking about now. You are studying English. Yes, right now you are watching this clip and you are studying English. That's good. Next sentence. You are studying French. Yes or no? Of course, the answer is no. You are not studying French. You study French in general, maybe Monday or Tuesday or Thursday, you study French. Yes. But if I say you are studying French, it means now. So no, right now you are not studying French, you are studying English. Okay? Let's take a look on the next example. You are studying German language, the language of Germany. You are studying German. Okay, the tense of course is the present continuous. The present continuous. It means now. I'm talking about now. You are studying German. The answer is no. You are not studying German. You are studying English. You are watching an English clip. Okay. The last example. You study German. You study German. Yes or no? And here, of course, the answer is no. You don't study German. If I say you study German, that's not correct. This is false. You study German. It means you study German Monday or Tuesday or on January or February or March. But no, you don't study German. Okay? You don't study German in general, and you are not studying German right now. No. French. You study French. Yes, in general. But now, no, you are not studying French. Let's move to English. Do you study English? Yes, you study English in general. How about now? I'm going to use the present continuous. You are studying English. Yes, that's correct. You are studying English. Now, what we didn't do in class is the interrogative form of the present continuous. How to ask a question using the present continuous. That's what's new to you. And this is it. First, this is the affirmative form. I am watching. This is a sentence in the affirmative form of the present continuous. I am watching. What is the subject here? The subject is I. What is the verb? What is the infinitive form of the verb? The verb here is the verb to watch. Okay, the verb to watch in the present continuous affirmative form. This is the result. I am watching. Now, How do I change this sentence, an affirmative form sentence? How do I change it into the interrogative? I want to turn this sentence into the interrogative form. This is how we switch the positions of the subject and the auxiliary. And the result is, am I watching a movie? Am I watching cartoons? Am I watching? This is the interrogative form, a question. That's it. When I say, I am watching, this is the affirmative form. But when I say, am I watching, this is the interrogative form, a question. Am I watching? So, this is the order of words in the interrogative form. First, to be, which is the auxiliary. Second, the subject. And then third, the verb plus ing. Okay? Okay, let's see if you understand. I will give you the affirmative form and you turn it into the interrogative form. You change the sentence into the interrogative form, question. Okay, listen to this. You are reading. Affirmative. What is the interrogative form? The answer is, are you reading? That's it. We switch the positions of the subject and the auxiliary. You are reading. Are you reading? Another sentence. He is writing. What is the interrogative form? He is writing. The interrogative form of this sentence is he writing? Is he writing? Another sentence. She is studying. Affirmative. Okay, what is the interrogative form? I repeat, she is studying. The answer is she studying? Is she studying? Okay, now I give you the subject and the verb, and you give me the interrogative form. The subject is we, and the verb is to visit. We, the verb to visit. What is the interrogative form in the present continuous? The answer is, are we visiting? Are we visiting? Okay, the verb to drink, you. Are you drinking? Are you drinking? The verb to learn, they. Are they learning? The verb to eat, it. Is it eating? That's it.